The question says that in an experiment on a specific heat of a metal 0.02 kg block of metal at 150 degrees centigrade is dropped in a copper calorimeter of water equivalent 0.025 kg containing 150 centimeter cube of water at 27 degree. The final temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Compute the specific heat of metal. If the heat losses to the surrounding are not negligible, is your answer greater or smaller than the actual value for a specific heat of metal? So here we see that the metal is dropped in the calorimeter. Now the calorimeter, the heat lost by the metal would be consumed by the calorimeter, and here calorimeter, in this calorimeter we have got water equivalent fluid that will behave thermally equal to water by the quantity of 0.025. that is, the heat consumed by the fluid would be equal to the heat consumed by this much quantity of water, and additionally it also has water of 150 centimeter cube. Now they both were at temperature 27 degrees centigrade and the final temperature was recorded to be 40 degrees centigrade. So here the metal is cooled from 150 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, and the water media and the calorimeter temperature goes from 27 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. We have to estimate the specific heat of metal, and also we need to comment on if the heat was lost to the surrounding, then was our answer a greater estimate or the smaller as compared to the actual value. So here heat lost by the metal can be given by the formula ms delta T, where S is the specific heat capacity of the metal and S is also the objective of our question. Now M is 0.20 kg and delta T for the metal is 140 degrees centigrade, because 150 minus 40 would be equal to 110. So delta T is equals to 110. Now for calorimeter we have got 0.025 gram plus 0.150 gram of water multiplied with its heat capacity and change in temperature, that is 40 minus 27. The water goes from 27 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. Now here we calculate S to be 434 joule per kg per Kelvin, and since if the heat loss was not negligible, then obviously we have calculated S as smaller quantity, as smaller than the actual value, because if heat would not have been lost, then the temperature of water would have risen more. So it is a smaller quantity as compared to the actual quantity if heat loss is not negligible. Thank you.